So the reason why I chose to study at Buckingham was because of the small classes. That's what sets Buckingham apart from every other university that I applied to. I felt that the small classes would be able to help me acknowledge my strengths and also my weaknesses, and the lecturers will be able to help me build beyond what I was capable of. And now that I'm here, I learned that that was the best decision that I could make.
At Buckingham, we pride ourselves on personalised teaching. So you are known by us and we are known by you. You're not a number at the back of a class, you won't be forgotten about, and you will not be left behind.
I felt like the psychology department make such an effort to make sure everyone's on track. They really make sure you have all the resources and tools that you need.
The bond that you have between a student and the lecturer, it's closer than any other university would have. It's like they want us to be better, they want us to grow, they want us to have the passion for psychology just like them.
For me, the very best thing is the tutorials, because they're very intimate. It's no more than 6 or 7 people, and then the lecturer. So that level of sort of closeness you get in terms of being able to ask questions, share ideas with students, but there's not too many students there, so everyone gets a say.
The key kind of area which I would say is unique to Buckingham, where we see the most important learning platform, is the tutorial.
They can vary in what the kind of topic is, so often there'll be some reading that you have to do beforehand, a paper related to what you've covered that week, and then the tutorial is about discussion. Or if it's in a more practical module, so like what we do in research methods, it may be that you're working as a group to actually do a piece of research, and then the tutorial might be about checking in on where you are. And so it's very much discussion based and applying the things that you've learnt in the lectures more practically.
One of the best things for me at least is that very often the lecturer is just as interested in what everyone has to say as everyone else. It's a very level playing field.
For someone like me that's a bit shy and not really outspoken in large groups, it gives me the opportunity to come and clarify myself without having to sound stupid or feel like I'm asking a stupid question or a silly question that's bothering anybody.
Having that opportunity to talk about that subject material, psychology, with people week in, week out is going to be a real benefit. And the tutorial, that small group, means that you get to kind of interact with people, you get to know people, and it means that you get much more in-depth understanding through that discussion, through that exploration as a team rather than as on your own.
You don't feel like you're just kind of a fish in a big ocean. You feel like you're really known here.
It's unique. That's the one word that I could use to describe it. The lecturers, the students, even the people who live in Buckingham, in this town, it's a community.
We very much care about individuals and we care about your degree, your well-being.
I never felt like I was alone, or even when I was overwhelmed at work, there was always someone to talk to or someone to turn to, whether that's my supervisor or a lecturer or my tutor.
The best thing about my job is day in, day out, I get to work with amazing students. I get to see them develop through their degree, and it means that I really feel that I make a difference because of that.
If you want that kind of better relationship with the lecturers and the staff, and also with students, because you're in a smaller group, I'd say this is definitely the place to come. Here is not like anywhere else.